How to change Bing AI image size 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can go ahead and change your Bing AI image size in the easiest way. So whenever you have created an image for yourself or, created a prompt for yourself, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to choose whatever image you want to resize. So let's say I want to go ahead and resize this image right here. Okay. So once you go over to it, what you're going to do is come here where it gives you a resize option and you can resize it to whatever you want. Okay. You can either keep it in a square and what you can go over to landscape as well, whatever you want. So let's say I want to keep it to landscape. Now, once I switch it to landscape, you're going to see that it's going to go ahead and change the whole thing. Okay. So let me wait for the prompt to kick in and look at that. It turned from a square to a landscape. So that is pretty much all there is. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.